Hi, everyone. It's Dr. Denny, your Assistant Principal of Curriculum here at Brooks to Bartolo, and I am here to explain our 8-period Garnet Friday schedule. In case you weren't sure, our Garnet classes are blocks 1 through 4, where students attend on Mondays and Wednesdays, and our Gold classes are blocks 5 through 8 that students attend on Tuesdays and Thursdays. On Fridays, our students attend all 8 classes, but that's going to look a little bit different this year. On Friday, we have our modified asynchronous block schedule, where students will be able to participate online and independently with each of their teachers. So on a Garnet 8-period Friday, I'm only going to attend my Garnet classes in person. So I'll go to block 1, 2, 3, and 4 and be physically present with my teacher, and I'll attend 5, 6, 7, and 8 online using the laptop provided to me at the school. So in a typical grade 9 schedule, I have my 8 periods of the day. Let's walk through what this might look like. Okay. Again, I'm only visiting my first, second, third, and fourth period teacher in terms of where I'll be located throughout the school day. I'll still go to homeroom. We have extended homeroom on Fridays for 40 minutes. And then after homeroom, I'm going to report to block 1. Block 1 is from 8:45 to 9:25. At 9:25, I'm going to switch gears and I'll start working on my block 5 work. I'll complete an attendance check-in so my teacher knows I'm present, and then I'm going to continue on for the rest of that period working on block 5 content. At that next time point, I'll switch to my block 2 teacher, so I'll move in the building to my block 2 teacher's classroom. I'll work on block 2 from 10:10 to 10:50. And at 10:50, I'll switch gears and I'll complete my attendance check-in with my block 6 teacher and see what they have posted for me for that school day. When lunchtime rolls around, I'm going to attend lunch with my block 3 teacher on a Garnet Friday. So whatever lunch they attend is where I'll go. I'll work on my block 3 content first, and then when it's time to switch, I will work on block 7 virtually from my block 3 teacher's classroom. Finally, at the end of the day, I'm going to report to my block 4 teacher, and then at that switch at 2:25, I will work online virtually with my block 8 teacher. Okay, so again, I'll be doing all of this work from my Garnet teachers' classrooms. You might need some special supplies on Fridays. As you imagine, a classroom full of students working on different courses all at the same time could get a little bit noisy. So if you have your own pair of headphones, I definitely recommend you bring those to school. However, we do have headphones available at BDCHS if you're not able to bring your own. And then you'd also want to bring whatever materials you'll need for your classes, and that'll be all 8 of your classes. If you're a senior and you have an off block, you are able to depart from BDCHS at 2:25 on Fridays, just as we would have done last year. So if you don't have a teacher to report to, you can depart early. There are a few unique dual enrollment Garnet Friday scenarios, so I wanted to walk through those before we start tomorrow. If you have dual enrollment for the full day on Garnet days, you are able to work from home. You should still check in on time for your blocks 5, 6, 7, and 8 periods. However, you don't need to be physically present in the building. If you have dual enrollment for half of the day on Garnet days, we are asking our students to report to either our computer lab or our media center so that they don't miss any of those attendance check-ins. I would hate for a student coming to the school a little bit late to be driving and checking in on their attendance on their phone. So we are going to open up our computer lab and media center for students to work if they're off for dual enrollment those first 2 periods of the day. So we will see you here bright and early tomorrow. If you have dual enrollment on Gold days, then you'll attend school for the full day, blocks 1 through 4, and during the time for our Gold classes, you can work on coursework from HCC or from your other Brooks to Bartolo classes. So next week will be your week to be off, so that'll be a rotating schedule. If you still have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Your homeroom teacher is a great resource for all things BDCHS. You can also reach out directly to me at sdenny@bdchs.org. We look forward to seeing you on our first Friday tomorrow. Have a great afternoon.